So we've just come out for a little camp for the weekend and thought we'd give a little run through of the setup and the pack down of the Stratus Firepit Oven. So it comes in a heavy duty wax canvas bag. Some instructions in here as well, tell you how to set it up, show you how to do it. So these are your two end panels. Best to have the little feet facing out. Then we've got the aluminium base plate. So it's the aluminium light one. It's nice and lightweight. It goes on the bottom of the oven and it has the little fold facing up. I'll show you why when we get a bit further. Put the other end panel on, that'll sit like that. And this is the fire plate. So it's 4mm steel. So this is what the fire sits on. Same again, clipper in like that. That's it. Now the front panel, protect the adventure so you can read it when you're in front of the fire. Then you got the back panel, Stratus Outdoors. Pop that in there. Oven door, there's one at the back. Slide it in. Oven door for the front. Put the oven tray in first. It slides in there. You got 3 different heights for the oven tray. 1, 2, 3. That goes in like that. The oven door. And then you've also got your small grill plate. And that goes up the top. 3 different heights. That's it. Easy setup. Now I'll pack it down. So same again, just pull it all apart. Chuck it in the bag. You can give it a rinse off when you're finished or a wipe down with a rag. I actually don't clean mine, just pack it away. All adds to the flavour. So it all comes apart, super easy. Make sure to pack it away when it's cold. Give it time to cool down. And that's it. Stratus Firepit Oven.